What happens to your body if you eat pumpkin seeds every day? Did you know that by consuming 30 to 35 grams of pumpkin seeds daily, which is a quarter cup, you get about half of the recommended daily value of magnesium and tryptophan, more than 73% manganese, 40% phosphorus, and 22% of copper. Unsurprisingly, doctors and nutritionists recommend including this product in your daily diet. Want to know what happens to your body if you consume pumpkin seeds every day? We will tell you about it. 1. The mood will improve. The amino acid tryptophan increases the production of the pleasure hormone serotonin, which improves the emotional background and stress is more easily tolerated. Towards nightfall, serotonin is converted to melatonin, which regulates sleep and wakefulness, fights insomnia, and helps you get enough sleep. But these are not all the valuable properties of pumpkin seeds, including which you will improve cognitive functions in the daily diet, strengthen memory, reduce fatigue, and improve the brain's overall functioning. 2. Immunity will be strengthened. Do you want to forget about frequent colds, runny noses, and coughs? Include in your daily diet pumpkin seeds containing zinc, a trace element that is a natural immunomodulator necessary for the thymus gland to function correctly. It is this organ that produces T lymphocytes, which neutralize bacteria and viruses. The role of selenium in strengthening the immune system is also essential, since this microelement takes an active part in the production of red blood cells. 3. Stool normalizes. We have already said that pumpkin seeds contain a relatively large amount of fiber that absorbs and removes the breakdown products of metabolites, regulates the production of food enzymes, and improves metabolic processes. You will forget about constipation, stomach cramps, and increased gas production if you eat about 60 to 100 g of pumpkin seeds every day. 4. Puffiness will decrease. Salt metabolism disorders, kidney, liver, and heart diseases can cause swelling of the limbs and face. Pumpkin seeds have a mild diuretic effect, provided by their constituent potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Daily consumption of pumpkin seeds will help reduce swelling and reduce the risk of calcium oxalate formation in the urine, thereby preventing the development of urolithiasis. 5. Pressure is normalized. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds lowers blood pressure and strengthens the walls of the arteries, all thanks to their constituent folic and linoleic acids. Magnesium and potassium regulate the work of the heart muscle, and iron increases hemoglobin, reducing the risk of anemia. Polyunsaturated fatty acids normalize blood circulation and prevent the formation of cholesterol plaques in blood vessels, thereby preventing blood clots. Do you want to reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular pathologies, normalize blood pressure, and increase hemoglobin? Eat raw pumpkin seeds more often. 6. Bones will be strengthened. Zinc and phosphorus are responsible for strengthening bone tissue, preventing the development of osteoporosis and arthritis. Suppose problems with the musculoskeletal system have already developed. In that case, daily use of pumpkin seeds combined with drug therapy will help reduce inflammation and the manifestation of pain in the early stages of the disease. 7. The manifestation of prostatitis will decrease. Due to the pronounced anti-inflammatory properties of zinc, purified raw pumpkin seeds help reduce inflammation localized in the prostate gland. It is also recommended consuming seeds to prevent prostatitis and maintain sexual function in men. 8. The condition of the skin, hair, and nails will improve. The rich composition of pumpkin seeds, including zinc, vitamins A, E, C, and fatty acids, helps keep the skin elastic, prevents premature wrinkles, and renews epidermal cells. According to the conclusion of the American Academy of Dermatologists, it is zinc, which is extremely important for the treatment and prevention of acne. If you eat a handful of seeds every day, within a month, you will notice increased hair growth and thickening, nails will become stronger and stop exfoliating, and the number of acne will decrease. 9. Reduces the risk of developing breast cancer. According to a study published in the medical journal Nutrition and Cancer, eating foods that contain phytoestrogens can reduce the risk of breast cancer. In addition, phytoestrogens, which are present in large quantities in pumpkin seeds, contribute to preserving the youth of the female body since they act like female sex hormones, estrogens, the production of which decreases with age. 10. Blood sugar is normalized. By consuming 30 to 60 grams of pumpkin seeds per day, you normalize your blood sugar. And all thanks to the magnesium contained in pumpkin seeds. The lack of this particular macronutrient is observed in 40% of patients diagnosed with diabetes mellitus. And since the processing of sugar consumes about 98% of magnesium, it must be replenished daily from the outside. Otherwise, there is a high risk of developing heart disease, degenerative diseases, visual impairment, high blood pressure, and obesity. At the same time, one should not rely on seeds alone to prevent type 2 diabetes mellitus. 11. Intestinal parasites are neutralized. Raw pumpkin seeds have been used for centuries in the fight against intestinal parasites. And all thanks to the amino acid cucurbitacin, which destroys parasitic worms. 12. Decreases nausea. If you have a long trip or flight, and you suffer from kinetosis, in other words, you feel sick, pumpkin seeds will help cope with nausea, headache, and vomiting. For the same reason, this product is indicated for the toxicosis of pregnant women in the early stages. At the same time, we must not forget that pumpkin seeds will be beneficial only if used in moderation, and the existing contraindications are taken into account.